Hello everyone. Right, today in the workshop we're going to do a product review and repair on this CBF 500 seat. It's the pillion seat. As you can see, it's got a rip in the seat foam, and rather than go to the trouble of recovering it or finding a second-hand seat on eBay, I found this seat repair sticker product. Cost £4. It basically is, you come with a sheet of vinyl sticker backed. The idea is you cut out a repair patch for your seat and then stick it on. So what I'm going to do is, where a bit of the foam has come out, I'm going to find a bit of foam to fit in there, and we shall go. Right, I've found a bit of foam to fill the hole. Next, what it says to do is to thoroughly clean the area where you're going to be sticking it down. I've already done that, so I'm going to stick the sticker on, and you should see the results in a moment. And there we go. That's the finished product. I mean, from a distance, like up here, it's almost unnoticeable. Get close, you can see it's quite a heavy duty adhesive. It sticks well. Like I say, they do it in different colours. Sort of search for this. So that's the colours and textures it comes in. So that's code if anyone wants to search for it. Company Daytona. So let's get it back on. There we go. Job done. Thank you for watching.